What's up everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For today I'm doing another start to finish wash day. So first I'm going to start it by taking out my ponytail that I was wearing the day before and making sure I get all of my pins out and whatnot. And I'm just going to start off by rinsing my hair and just making sure that my hair is fully saturated with the water. Then I'm going to go in with my shampoo. The shampoo that I'm using is from Natural Club. My last wash day is when I reviewed the entire avocado line, and I did not realize how much I loved this shampoo. But this shampoo is amazing. It's very, very moisturizing, and I couldn't tell before because I did it in sections, so I couldn't really tell how much it was really moisturizing my hair. But this shampoo is probably my favorite product from the line. So once I have that all in my hair feels pretty clean, I'm just going to rinse that out and try to get it all out of my hair. I don't want to leave any shampoo. And now I'm going to go in with my conditioner. So my conditioner is the Aussie 3-Minute Miracle. So the quick version for my wash days, I just put half of it up into a bun. And then the other side, I'm going to take a few pumps. I'm pretty generous. The Aussie line is very, very cheap, so you can use a ton of it and not feel like you're wasting a ton of money. But once I have that all throughout my hair, I'm going to split it in half, detangle it with my tangle teezer, and then do one chunky braid. And then I'm just going to follow that process for the other 3 sections in my hair. So then once I'm finished with all 4 of the braids, all I do is leave it on my hair while I go ahead and wash my body and whatnot in the shower. And then after I'm done in the shower, I just wrap my hair up with a microfiber towel after I rinse out the conditioner. So before blow drying, I like to let my hair just sit in the towel for as long as I can. Just helps to cut down on the drying time, so you're using less heat. So my first product for my blow dry is the Miracle leave-in product from It's a 10. So I'm going to spray that all throughout my hair, and then I'm going to go on with a heat protectant, and this is from Fantasia. I just get that from my local beauty supply store, and the It's a 10 has heat protectant in it, but I just like to kind of double up. And then I'm going to go in with a cream leave-in conditioner, which is going to leave my hair soft. And all those products together make my hair really soft when I'm done, but also not like too oily or anything like that, so that's weighed down. So I'm just going to comb through that with a wide tooth comb, and then I'm going to split each of those sections into 3 different ones. So I'm going to split it, and then I'm just going to start blow drying. I use the Silverbird blow dryer. I love this blow dryer. It's amazing. I've been using it for years. And I use it on the high heat setting and then the low speed. So I'm taking it section by section. I only spend about like 30-45 seconds on each little section. And then after I've blow dried it, I go ahead and trim my ends. I'm not a professional whatsoever, so I'm not going to give any tips on that because I feel like you shouldn't get tips from me on that. But I kind of just trim away what I think needs to be, gone. And I pretty much trim my ends, I guess, every time I blow dry my hair, because I don't blow dry my hair that often. So I'm just going through, and after every section, just kind of finding where I need to trim and then just trimming it. If I see any extra scraggly pieces, I just go ahead and trim that as well. So I'm going through each section, taking my time. Again, if you let your hair kind of air dry for a little bit, it really does cut down the time. Blow drying my hair does not take long at all. And as well as just using like small sections just helps for the process to go a lot smoother. So yeah, so I'm just trimming my ends, and I'm just going to continue doing that on all of my sections. So using the It's a 10, the Fantasia heat protectant, and then my leave-in conditioner, and then just going section by section and blow drying and then trimming my ends. And then once I'm done with my entire hair, I just go through and kind of go over my entire head. I usually kind of sweat when I'm doing my hair just because it's a long process. So I just kind of go back through to make sure that everything is fully dry and stretched out. And then once I'm done with that, all I'm doing is just combing through my hair to make sure it looks good, and I trimmed what I needed to trim and make sure it looks even enough. And that's pretty much it. So that is it for my wash day routine with my blow drying and trimming. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure that you check out my previous videos and whatnot. And if you aren't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any more videos from me. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.